Hello my darlings, on today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this 2-tier wedding veil. To make this wedding veil I'll be using white polka dot tulle fabric. I'll be using 2 pieces 70 by 70 centimeters of this tulle fabric, and I have put them together like that. These 2 layers of polka dot tulle fabric I'm folding on a diagonal like that, putting all corners together like that, so you can see it is folded on a diagonal in half like that. Next I will prepare this corner, which is on a fold. As you can see, this is folded edge of the square, so this is folded side, and I'm measuring 35 centimeters from top corner, from there to there, adding pin there, and I will cut straight line on this corner there. Like that. Next, so this is going to be top of the veil, and I'm following this folded line to the other corner, and on this corner I will cut a curved shape. Measurement on this corner from top of the corner will be 45 centimeters, so I'm adding 45 centimeters from top of the corner, from that corner there. 45, sorry you can't see this on a video where I'm pinning, but it's 45 centimeters, and I'm cutting a curved shape on all of the layers like that. So my veil pattern is cut out now, and it looks like that. These are side corners of the veil, which I will leave as they are. Next I'm removing the pins. So this is going to be hem on a curved side. There, that's the hem, and this is top of the veil. Next I'll use this invisible thread and a needle. I have threaded my needle already, as you can see that invisible thread there. I'm opening up my veil pattern so the straight line is on the top and both layers are still attached together. Now I'm gathering both top edge layers together with up and down stitch, like that. I have finished gathering this tulle top, and the gathering width will be same as the hair comb width. So I'm placing that gathering against the hair comb, and I'm securing that stitch on the edge there, so the width is same as the hair comb. Next I will cover this hair comb with cut off fabric from the tulle, and I will be cutting this tulle fabric a little bit bigger than the hair comb, as you can see here, like that. So I have cut 4 layers of this tulle fabric, and I'm placing this hair comb in the middle there, as you can see, and I'm piercing this hair comb through that tulle fabric, like that. So it looks like that. Next I will cut excess tulle on each side of this hair comb, leaving 1 centimeter on each side, like that. So this is how it looks. Next I'm turning this hair comb to the wrong side, like that, and I'm folding this tulle over that hair comb, like that, so the curved side is there, and I'll place this gathering inside in the curved side. Hope this makes sense. So basically I'm placing this gathering on the inside of the curved side, like that, folding this edge over that gathering, like that, and I'm sewing that edge to the gathering, like that. Next I'll flip this hair comb and the tulle to the right side, and I'm sewing this gathering through the hair comb gut there, on each gap, so the gathering is sewed on this hair comb securely like that, and also the hair comb is attached to the tulle fabric properly. So this is how it looks. Next I'll sew this corner to the gathering, so I'm folding this other corner to the wrong side and I'm sewing that corner down to the gathering. So both side edges are sewed to the inside. Next I'll cut off this excess tulle inside. I will leave only 2 layers on the outside. So as you can see, I've left 2 layers and I'll cut a little bit off the top there. So it looks like that. 2 layers left. Next I'm folding this edge to the inside and top edge to the inside, and again. So basically I will be covering this gathering with this excess tulle. So I'm folding it in half and in half again, and I will sew this excess tulle on top of the gathering so it hides all of the stitching and it's nice finish like that. This corner I will fold inside, same like I did on other side. I'm sewing last stitches, cutting thread off, and my veil is finished. If you have any questions how I made this white polka dot tulle 2-tier wedding veil, please comment down below in the comment box. And here's my finished wedding veil, and it looks like that. I will add all materials which I used to make this wedding veil in a description box. So you can wear this veil as it is with 2 tiers like that, or you can open up top tier and put it over your face and use it as a blusher. And it looks like that. So this is the front, and this is the side, and this is the back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.